All right, 8th graders, so we are going to do a couple where we are graphing a system of equations. So I want you to start on problem number 5. So this will be the 5th graph that you have on your paper. And we are going to write down the following system. So find your paper. You're going to look at box number 5. Let me get it on here. Okay, so box number 5, it should look like this. Okay, so on this box, I'm going to start by writing the 2 equations. The first one is going to be y equals 1/4 x plus 3. And then I'm going to separate it like this so I can write the second equation on the other side. So on the other side, I'm going to write the equation y equals 1/4 x minus 1. Okay, so let's graph the first one first. So I'm going to start with my first dot at +3 because that's my first b value. And the slope is telling you to go up 1 to the right 4, back to the center. You can go down 1 to the left 4. And then connect those dots. Okay, then I can go to the second graph and I can say that this one starts at -1. And the slope is telling me to go up 1 to the right 4 again, because it's got 1/4, and then back to the center, down 1 to the left 4. Connect those dots. All right, there are my 2 lines. So where do those cross? Well, they don't cross. So since they don't cross at all, you are going to say lines don't cross. How many solutions do they have then? Well, no solution. So that was one where there was no solution because the lines did not cross. We are going to do one more problem before I let you try some more on your own. We are going to flip to the back of this paper and you're going to look at problem number 10. Now, I will cover up the others because I don't want you to see all of the answers just yet. You'll see those after you are done solving the other problems. So here's problem number 10. We're going to start by writing the equations at the very top. So one of the equations is x equals -3, and the other equation, x minus 3y equals 6. Okay, so we'll start with that x equals -3. I go to the x-axis, I find -3, I draw a dot there, and then I'm going to draw a straight line crossing through that spot. This will be my vertical line. All right, then I can start solving the second equation. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Then I have -3y equals -x plus 6. I can divide by -3, divide by -3, divide by -3, and then I have -3 divided by -3 is 1, so I've got y equals +1/3 x because I can take the -1 and the -3 and make it +1 over +3. Then I have my x there. 6 divided by -3 is -2, so a -2 on the end. I'll put my first dot there at -2 on the y-axis, and my slope is telling me to go up 1 to the right 3. So I go up 1 to the right 3, back to the center, down 1 to the left 3. Okay, connect those dots. And my solution is where these 2 lines cross. So the lines cross at this ordered pair, which my solution will be -3, -3. Here's my answer. All right, that's what you're doing on these problems. Good luck. Some of them you're gonna have to solve for y, others you don't have to solve for y, and that's totally fine.